Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will explain you what does the check engine lighting means. So let's get started. So if your car shows the check engine light on, that would be a spark plug issue or ignition wire issue, coil, distributor or fuel injection issue. Using you can see many issue listed here as well. So to fix that, you have to go to your nearest like your car service center, and from there you can repair it. So it will cost you like a little bit according to the problem, and you can fix that. So this is how to. So this is the meaning of your engine check light flashing. And if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.